Hello, it's Dumplet here. Here's an item on Algebra. Evaluate the given expression as you can see on the screen. As usual, pause this video if you'd like to give this item a try. But if you're done, let us dive into the solution. Now, whenever you see an item like this one, we tend to see what we can do to simplify it. Now, expanding it directly is not an option, so we might want to do some representation, and then maybe algebra can help us. So, making some primary observations, I see that, okay, 2000, 2008, so that's 8 from 2000, 2009 is 9 from 2000, and 2017 is 17 from 2000. And coincidentally, 8 plus 9 equals 17. So I guess it would be very nice if x equals 2000. So let's make that substitution. If x equals 2000, then I can write this expression as square root of x times x plus 8 times x plus 9 times x plus 17, then plus this 1296. I'll just leave it as it is for now. Now let us take the product of the blue and the green terms. As you can see, x and x plus 17, they multiply the product to x squared plus 17x, x plus 8 and x plus 9, they multiply to x squared plus 17x plus 72. Now I deliberately multiplied x and x plus 17 and x plus 8 and x plus 9 x plus just 17 because we will be having 17x here, and it would be nice because as you can see in the next step, we can rewrite this blue and this green expression as follows. So it's x squared plus 17x plus 36 minus 36, and the other one, for this green one, x squared plus 17x plus 36 plus 36. So this is like, if I make x squared plus 17x plus 36 here as my a and 36 as my b, then it's going to be like a minus b times a plus b, and we can easily simplify that via the difference of two squares. So a minus b times a plus b, it's going to give us a squared minus b squared. That's what you see in the highlighted, underlined expression here. This is technically a squared minus b squared. Note that 36 squared is exactly 1296. And, well, it worked to our favor. We have negative 1000, we have minus 1296, and then we have the plus 1296. So we can easily simply cancel this. And we're just left with the square root of x squared plus 17x plus 36. And we can easily just remove the, we can just cancel the square root with the exponent, just because we know that x squared plus 17x plus 36, that's positive anyways. So we have x squared plus 17x plus 36. Now obviously this is not the answer because we have to substitute back our x. So let's plug 2000 back. So 2000 squared plus 17 times 2000 plus 36, and we just have to simplify, so we can do the maths. If we simplify, we're going to get that the answer, or the given expression, is actually equal to 4,034,036. And this will be our final answer. Hopefully you guys learned something new from this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!